Hello and welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough on how you can build your own pages like this within seconds. Now, these are not your average landing pages. No, these are rebrandable team duplication pages that you can set up. You're basically creating your own system for your team, and your team don't need to register for anything. Imagine joining a platform, a company that you're involved in, you're excited, maybe you're new to the business, or maybe you just want to crank things up, generate momentum, and you want to create a team page. Because let's face it, when we join a business, we're bringing people in, and people often say, like, do we have access to any marketing system or tool? But the only issue is that a lot of people struggle with certain marketing systems because often they are a little bit tricky to set up. They require a full-blown not only registration, but they have to go through a lot of technical overwhelm to set things up. Connect a third-party autoresponder or whatever. Those are good. In my opinion, we want those as well. There are certain reasons to want those, but this will get you set up. And being able to share out a system like this with just one referral link where your team can set and then they get their referral link and so on, your team can duplicate so quickly. And it really works because I've been creating these kind of pages for absolutely years, but it used to take me ages. When I joined a business, I wanted to have a page like this up where my team can duplicate. They can stick their username at the bottom because it's got a built-in Rebrander tool, and they just put their user ID, they click Rebrand, and boom, hey presto, they have their own referral link that they can share out for this page. And they copy it to clipboard, they share their link out, it's got their user ID in there, and then their leads come, and then the call to action button goes to them. They can watch the video. You customize everything. You put the video in there. In fact, you can put multiple videos like this one, for example. This is a Save Club template that we've got, and then they can watch the videos step by step. And you set this up. It's really simple, and I'm saying that you can set this up within minutes for your entire team, and then they can generate their own links for your program, for your opportunity, or whatever. So let's talk about this. So I've created a number of different rebrander pages within the system. You can get on the link below. You can register for this. We've also got global templates that you can use. And members that use the system are actually building the templates by simply making them go live or not. So this little feature here, when it says private, that doesn't mean it's private. What it means, this is your system for your team privately. So it's live, yes, but it's not a template available for everyone in the community. So what it means is when you set this to public, it becomes available in the public library so that other members can actually just use it as a template to build their own rebrander page for that company, or they can edit it and then make it for another company because they like the color scheme, for example. So that's why we've got this library. So members, not only me, but other members, you can preview the page to see what other people have created. Somebody's created something like a flare multiplier, so you can preview the page to see what this person has created. Amazing, fantastic. So these are actually members creating their own templates and making them available. And then you can browse next page, and you got Momentum Tech, for example. You got a bunch of people who are creating Momentum Tech type templates. Fantastic, a nice purple scheme, and you've got One Digital Network. You've got a couple of people putting those together. You got Rob here, who's put another Momentum Tech together. You got Alexander, who's put a nice, I'm not sure what that company is. Yeah, we've got Save Club, we've got Live Good, we've got crypto related, whatever kind of business, AI automation, whatever, travel automation. I mean, for example, let's have a look. I mean, travel, for example, a lot of people are getting excited about travel. Let's have a look. So for example, I haven't got anything about travel, but you could certainly create, you've got the background here. This is Save Club, for example, which has a great travel portal to get discounts on saving on travel. So you've got a nice theme related to travel and health and wellness and other things. So how do you create something like this? It's already lightning fast. I mean, the normal way would be just to simply create a new page, and you fill in your company name, your referral base link template. All you do is you just put in your referral link, as normal, and where your referral ID would normally go, you'd simply put a little personalization tag in the URL string. It shows you exactly how to do that. We've also got a video training shows you how to do that. You can watch the video training there. You put your default user ID right there. Some cases it might be yours. What this will do is it'll simply fall back if there is no user ID in the URL string. For whatever reason, it wouldn't be the case, but if there was, for whatever reason, there was no URL string, it'll fall back to the default. And then you can put your bullet points right down here. What that would look like would be like the bullet points for here. You can put him or whatever. You've got bullet points there. That's what the bullet points look like. Yeah. And you can choose your color scheme. And the good thing about it is you can actually create your own color scheme if you want to. So you can browse your own color schemes right there, and you can even preview them. So for example, I don't know, Cyber Aurora is what I created, that one, and then you can preview it, and that's what that looks like. That's just a preview. Then if you like it, you can generate it, and then it becomes available in here. You might have to refresh your page in order to see it become available. And then you've got little textures here that you can preview and select your textures. We've got a Christmas theme, we've got crypto, we've even got AI styling, different and a lot of generic stuff as well. So that's the normal way to create a page. But there's a quick way to create a page using AI. So you can create an AI version. So you can type your company name, again, your referral link. Just put it in as normal, but whatever you put here would replace where the username is there. So in this case, you just, for example, put your username here, whatever it is. I haven't got an example at the moment, but let me just grab an example, something like this. Let me just grab this. So you put your company name, I don't know, what was it? I don't know, for example, yeah, oops. So for example, Affiliate Mentor, this is not the correct URL for Affiliate Mentor. You just take that and you just put that there, and it'll just replace what's in there. You can edit all this later, and then you just put a URL, a video URL in there. Just copy of any video YouTube. Always be careful about what YouTube video links you use. If it's something that you've got permission to use or whatever, or something for the company, just describe what your business is about. So what I did is I'm just describing my business to AI. You're not using this text this text is not going to be used live. So you can ramble, whatever your business is. You've only got 600 characters, but that's more than enough. Just to say what it is. Everyone knows what their business is. There must be a reason why you decided to join. You just describe it. Describe what the benefits of the business, what's the product, what's it related to, what kind of business, who's going to potentially be interested. Is it crypto related? Is it passive income? Is it AI or health and wellness or travel or whatever? And then you can generate the page, click generate, and then the AI will basically get to work and build your page. So the page was created successfully. The thumbnail will be created in due course, and you can preview the page. So there's my page. It created all the text for me based on what I said, AI powered automation, blah, and it's got the link there. I can add my test, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, whatever my thing is there, and you just copy it to board and paste it, and then just test to see if it'll work. And it goes there. It's got the user ID there, but obviously this user doesn't exist. And then if you want to edit it further, let's say for example I go to edit, and then I want to change the color, or I want to change some of the text, or maybe I want to create a new theme. So let's open the new theme, and then let's give it a kind of inspire AI. Oh, so yeah, I've run out of AI generations. But I had one left, so it actually generated it. I can preview that, see what it created. That's actually not bad. Yeah. So I'm going to generate that. What is it? Violet Frost. Nice. So you can tweak anything you want. So that's generated. Now I'm going to go back to the edit. I need to refresh this, but I'm not going to lose anything because it's already saved. So I go down here. Violet Frost is where I'm looking. There it is. Have another preview. It's not going to preview your actual page. It's going to preview the preview page. So don't expect your content to be here. So what you need to do is then save, and it's saved. It's actually going to need to update the thumbnail, but yeah, it doesn't matter. So yeah. Anyway, so everything's in there. The new color scheme, it works for the new business opportunity that I've launched. And so, I mean, I went all the way in and just created my entire theme myself, like the color scheme and everything. But in your case, you may not need to feel you need to create all the unique colors and everything like that, but it's done a good job. And you can go in and you can edit it further. You can decide it's AI related, so let's have an AI kind of theme, save it, see what that looks like, and then just preview again. It's got the AI background, so you can tweak it however you want, fine tune it. Let's try this one. Sometimes the generic ones actually work really well because you don't want too much distraction necessarily. Sometimes it works, sometimes you might want something a little bit more so it kind of highlights the foreground, the text and everything. So that's actually really nice. So then the users, all you do now, your next step is simply just to create your own version of this, rebrand it, copy it, and then just share that out with your entire team. They come in, they see your page that you've created for the team, and then they come in, they watch the videos, they get excited. You can add more videos. I didn't explain that. Let me just explain that. So down here, if you want to add more than one video, I haven't got more videos. Let's have a look. Let me grab a random video. So you can add more videos. Actually, I'm using the same video every time, but I haven't got some video. I'm going to just duplicate those, and then I'm just going to save it and then refresh the page. And now you see the extra videos. So that then they just browse the next video, go to the next video, and you've got a full-blown step-by-step process that you're getting people on board. And for example, you'd have maybe a short presentation promo video, just kind of like a teaser video, and then maybe the next one might be a kind of a compensation plan type video, and then maybe a long presentation like a Zoom recording. But you don't have to have all of these videos. You can have like 2 videos or 3 videos, however many you need, but you can't add more than 4. 4 would be the max. Well, so 1 and then 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so 4 videos max, because this one is the first video. That would be already loaded as you load the page. And then in video 2, 3, 4. So that's how it works. And you could have full training videos, how to get set up, back office orientation video, whatever. It's up to you. So you've got everything. You've got a full-blown onboarding page that doesn't need to be a kind of a full-blown sales page or whatever. It just gets them on board, because then when they click here, they could probably see more about what the opportunity is, depending on your referral link, what you've got on that next page. It might be a registration page or whatever. It doesn't matter, because you've got plenty of ways of delivering the information that they need in this section here, and then they can come back and rebrand it after they join. So you're basically giving people more than enough to get started on whatever business opportunity you're promoting. As simple as that. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.